I'm delighted to join you and my colleague, the Vice President of Colombia, at this afternoon's Business Summit, a unique event bringing together the policymakers, trade facilitators, the private sector of our two countries, with a view of fostering bilateral trade and investment relations between Kenya and Colombia. The government of Kenya appreciates and acknowledges the cordial relations that exist between the Republic of Kenya and the Republic of Colombia. We have today held very constructive bilateral talks with my counterpart with the aim of raising government-to-government engagements in the knowledge that such collaboration has been missing in the past. Kenya values partnerships that are mutually beneficial, born out of common ideals, which is why we are also proud to be part of a community with our neighbors, the East African Community, COMESA, African Continental Free Trade, upon our shared desire to achieve economic prosperity for our citizens. We need new and different approaches to partnerships that cuts across traditional barriers and geographical boundaries to thrive. We also take note of Colombia's leadership in sectors that are of mutual interest to both countries. These include technology-driven manufacturing, tourism, agro-processing, including coffee. This provides several opportunities for mutual exploration. We have significant opportunities for joint strategies to advance both Colombian and Kenyan coffee production, value addition, and market access. We also take note of our two countries' investment in innovation and technological exchange. While Kenya's innovation culture is now a major driver for the domestic economy, we acknowledge that in Colombia, technology is also now a driver for your export performance. We invite Colombian technology companies to establish in Kenya as a route to market to the rest of the African continent. We note that manufacturing is providing mutual opportunities for both countries. Kenya exports significant amounts of textiles to Colombia. Equally, Colombia's leading export to Kenya is equipment for food manufacturing. To deepen this mutually beneficial relationship, we invite Colombian companies to consider investing in our special economic zones for food production and textiles going forward. Our private sector will equally be keen to explore opportunities for investment in Colombia. Untapped opportunities exist in the blue economy, such as inland maritime transport, which can support and facilitate regional trade, alternative green energy from tidal waves, building and improving of the infrastructure that supports tourism and development of the business of sport, which has a potential to offer employment to thousands of youths across the region. Both Kenya and Colombia have rich renewable energy resources. Kenya is a global leader in geothermal energy, while Colombia has significant potential in hydropower. We see great opportunities for knowledge exchange, technical cooperation, and investment in the renewable energy sector. Collaboration in this field can contribute to sustainable development, mitigate climate change, and enhance energy security for both our nations. Kenya is open and safe for business and remains an ideal trade and investment destination. Equally, we are interested in opportunities in Colombia, and we see this as a beginning of a mutual benefit relationship.